This episode is specially made to give an ounce of confidence and a small degree of smile to our precious viewers. After watching this episode, you might feel that good things might happen to anyone, anytime, and we just have to be ready to receive it. Now, let's get into the episode. A small-scale miner in Tanzania has become millionaire overnight after selling 2 rough tanzanite stones. Those stones are the biggest ever to be found in the country. He earned $3.4 million from the country's mining ministry. The stones that he sold had a combined weight of 15 kg. This lucky guy's name is Sanino Laser. He mined the stones of weight 9.2 kg and 5.8 kg last week, but he sold them this week during a trading event in the northern region of Manyara. As I mentioned, the combined weight of the stone was 15 kg. Until now, the largest tanzanite rock to be mined was 3.3 kg in weight. Mr. Laser, that is the lucky guy who hit this jackpot, is 52 years old. He has 4 wives and 30 children. He also has 2,000 cows to take care of. And just imagine the joy that he would have felt when he found a way to keep his big family comfortable. He actually said that he has plans to invest in his community also. That is, he wants to build a mall and a school for his area, and that he was not educated, but he likes to run things a professional way. So that is very sweet of him. And the Tanzanian President John Magufuli congratulated Mr. Laser on his treasure through a phone call. Mr. Magufuli came to power in 2015 and promised to safeguard the nation's interest in the mining sector and increase the government's revenue from it. So what is this tanzanite and how come just 2 rocks of tanzanite made one person so rich? Tanzanite is actually a gemstone and it is used for making ornaments. It is found only in the northern part of Tanzania. Small-scale miners like Mr. Laser should actually get government licenses, that is, they should get government approval to mine for tanzanite. But illegal mining is also happening a lot in Tanzania, especially near mines owned by big companies. In 2017, President Magufuli ordered the military to build a 24-kilometer wall around a mining site in Manyara, and that site is believed to be the world's only source of tanzanite. A year later, the government reported an increase in revenue in the mining sector. Tanzanite is one of the rarest gemstones on earth, and geologists estimate that its supply may be entirely depleted within the next 20 years. This precious stone is found in many colors including green, red, purple and blue, and its value is determined by rarity. That is, the finer the color or clarity, the higher is the price. So as I told in the beginning of this episode, this incident proves that good luck might fall on anyone, and it may be you too. Stay connected with us for more such interesting stories. This is Nisha PS.